Hello pet parents, how are you? I hope you all are staying safe and healthy in this lockdown period. My name is Arun Shivakumar, co-founder of PHP.
Hi guys, this is Asha from Pet Home Boarding. We are really missing all the kids who are coming for our boarding, dog park and the pool. I'm sure we all have to stay safe at home.
Today we are making this video to reach out every one of you to give a short message. PHP had taken a pause from past 2.5 months from the day lockdown started. However, we started receiving calls and messages from a few days, and many callers, they said that they are facing a lot of issues with their pets because of the lockdown situation, where the pets cannot go out of the house or apartment because RWA are refusing, or they're stopping every pet parents to take their pets on roads for walks or long walks, to even for that matter for the dog park. They are getting a designated area for pee and poop for all those pets, which is actually making them very sad, and they're staying inside four walls. So because of this, there are a lot of behavioral changes in every pet.
We have been getting a lot of calls for boarding during the lockdown and even now, wherein pet parents are concerned where their kids get anxiety issues once everything starts resuming. So I was just wondering to share this experience with you so that you don't have anxiety issues also with your kids, and the same thing with the doggy.
Pets have started destroying the furnitures, they've started biting the owners, and a few pets actually they have put on a lot of weight because of no exercise, and they've been diagnosed with a lot of health related issue. This definitely happens because one, they don't get proper exercise, they feel very upset, they feel very sad, they get frustrated and start doing all these things. And for that matter, few pet owners, they also called us and said that their pets have become so dependent on their owners. Now those pet owners are so scared that once the life resumes, then they are very scared to leave their pets behind, while they go to work. That can create a lot of other damages, that can create a lot of problems, mentally disturbed.
As you all know that we are all in a confused state of for everything in life, everything has come for a pause. We were also in a confused state if we have to keep the boarding on during lockdown or we need to give a pause. But we started getting calls from many pet parents, and they started sending their kids during the lockdown and even now, where they came up with a lot of issues saying that their dogs are having anxiety issues, they're getting irritated at home. So we just want them to go out, have a breather, run, meet a lot of friends, and also be in touch with their normal lives, wherein they don't get accustomed to their lockdown life, where they are becoming a chipku with their parents, and later when the life normalizes, they are having a tough time to get used to the normal life which used to be before. So that's when we also kept our boarding running, and we have been getting a lot of kids for our boarding, wherein they are happy, they are coming in for a day, for 2 days, 3 days. So I just wanted to share this with all the pet parents to keep this practice going on with your kids, though you are working from home, though there is a lockdown. Just as a pet parent, I would like to share that please send your kids to a boarding or to a different place wherein they are in touch with socializing, they are in touch with going out without their parents. They can be independent, and they can stay the way they are and don't change their practice because of lockdown. Let's all keep in touch with the boarding practice. It's not because of money or business. This is a pure suggestion, and I think as a pet parent,
We thought about all these problems, and definitely yes, we acknowledge that these behavioral changes and these problems will be definitely encountered more and more going ahead. When we started thinking more about this, we understood, and we all need to accept the fact that Corona is not gonna stop right there. It's Corona is gonna be with us for many years from now on. All we need to do is how to overcome such situation, and how can we get rid of this, and how can we make our pets happy and give them good exercise and keep them healthy. So thinking about all these situations, PHP decided to reopen up the boarding facilities for all the pets, so that your pets can come over here, make them stay for a short duration. It can be 1 day, 2 day, or whatever the days you decide, even when you're staying at home in the lockdown period. So this short stay will definitely help the pet parents to get a new change, and they can remove their stress, they can get some good exercise, and then go back home and they can be more happy. We have opened up PHP for all boarders with the proper safety measures as per COVID regulations. So we will be sanitizing the dogs when pet parents drops at PHB, or when we go to pick them up. We sanitize the dogs and bring them and make sure that we all are taking care of the safety measures as per the COVID regulations. I would encourage every pet owners to think about it and start sending them to boarding anywhere in Delhi NCR. Start helping their pets to be more happy, to get more exercise. Your pets need some change, so do you. So think about it. I think we all should accept the fact that Corona is going to stay with us, and start acting according to it. Start sending your pets, give them a new change. Let's make our pets happy and make sure that they are healthy. Thanks for watching this video, and for any bookings or for any queries or for any kind of details you require, so we have the numbers down below screen. Please call us for any kind of bookings, any kind of queries as well. Thank you. I wish you all the best, and stay safe, stay healthy. Let's beat this situation together. Thanks.
Good boy. Good boy. Sola. Sola. Dagger! 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 Good boy! Sparky! Who is this new friend? Who is this new friend? You got new friend! Raghu, come here! Raghu! Come! Joy! Come here, Joy! Come on, take her. Come on, take her.
Sola. Sola.